Looking for a broker that's best for beginners? We'll help you find your perfect match, making the process simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 brokers for beginners in Australia based on our experts' hands-on testing of over 100 providers, each checked against more than 600 data points. By assisting close to 1 million people over the past half year, we've pinpointed the key priorities for beginner investors: low fees, simple apps, and helpful learning tools. Let's jump into our top 3 list, highlighting 3 key advantages for each broker. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is Moomoo. Moomoo offers commission-free stock and ETF trading, making investing affordable for everyone. With super fast and easy account setup, it's a breeze to get started. Users love the top-notch analytical tools and excellent educational resources, making it a solid choice for savvy traders. Our runner-up at number 2 is Webull. Webull stands out with its free stock and ETF trading, making it a great choice for cost-savvy investors. Enjoy high interest on uninvested cash, boosting earnings even while waiting to invest. Account opening is fast and easy, perfect for those ready to start quickly. And now for our number 1 pick. The best broker for beginners in Australia is eToro. eToro is great for its low stock and ETF fees, making trading affordable. Opening an account is seamless and easy for newcomers. The social trading feature lets users learn from others and share strategies, creating a community feel, perfect for modern investors. Every investor is different, and the best choice always depends on you. To compare these brokers side by side and see our full detailed analysis, check out the complete guide on BrokerChooser.com. The link is right in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical insights to help you on your investing journey. Thanks for watching.